Come good as you want picture? Come my friend. Oh, my ear fix good? Look. Woo! Jesus Christ.
When I look at where I'm coming from, I know I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile.
Hi babies, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of GLAMCON / working.
Hello, morning.
But yeah, since she will get a camera, I get for done. But yeah, it's a long day of events, so I'll be vlogging again. I see that, and I say so rich. So good morning, guys. So today is day 2 of the madness. You look my shoulder. We look like we're all us stumbled down by me. Okay, guys. So we'll get ready because we're gonna do Etal. The Etal. What the store? What the store name? Etal store, right? We're gonna do makeup for some model for them to model the new clothing. Goods are model. It's a modeler. So. And then after we go GLAMCON day 2, right? So we'll be face from now because by the time we finish, 3/4 of the day gone for GLAMCON because GLAMCON start at 10 o'clock? 9. GLAMCON start 9 to 5. I will not reach till after 2. So we're gonna do a face from now. And then
stay tuned, baby.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do my face now because it's take up my time. I don't know me slow. Okay guys, so we done beat our face and y'all are burn up the road, you know. Hey, must have my eye foggy. What does it go on so the road?
Hello, morning.
So yeah, face beat and so I'm showing her close up. I'm gonna do another video. The good face, good say come on to that. I don't know why I say blurry. Like, we'll drop some eye drops in my eye and it's still. So yeah, we're gonna do the shoot and then we'll go back and get ready. My eye scratch me. Oh shit, my bad on the intro. Cause that'll be 2 days. The video go long. I'm gonna do an intro.
We'll leave early again.
We can do it. We can do it. Now, my left eye too.
It's running. It's going to be problematic today.
Probably have to take off the lash and put it on.
Or maybe, Jesus, maybe I just the mirror. The mirror they'll make it look.
DJ! That is not Bonnie Air.
DJ never too enough.
Are you father than
Yes, finally.
I like this. Oh no, the back of the bra. It's very yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good.
You want it back?
No.
It's
hot.
Yes.
I'm going to get some fun. I want her.
Okay, somebody's on their way.
What's your hot man?
I did one slow mo just to see how it would look.
Good. Atina, I just nice.
Alright, come on, let's try it. So just walk down.
So I'm beat, but I definitely talk to you guys when I leave here because the music is playing and I'll be flagged for copyright. Lena, good up. Good, your body good enough? What's that? No, your body look nice with you. What's there?
Listen.
Stop.
This is what it looks
This is
like.
for the vlog.
This is what it
Let
looks
me
like.
add the vlog this, you know.
This is what it looks like
Alright.
when.
Let me say anytime I
You
tell
know,
you
you have a little side man, a little, you know, like you have a little side girl for a China man, and him dead, and you haven't got a funeral, but you can't nobody really should know, say, but you want to honor him
Baby,
anyway.
goodbye.
You have to go for your oriental
You don't
outfit.
think she may look depressed?
And her body look good, you know, like look on her body, it's all good. Her look good.
She not looking up.
Mr. Chin dead. And she listen. Okay.
So guys, we're late, but we're not late. Understand? But we reach. Come good as you want picture. Come my friend. Oh, my ear fix good. Look. Woo! Jesus Christ. I'm a can't bend dog, you know.
People are blind over this. So.
Them me never bend over. Come fix it.
You don't have to bend over, goodie.
Did fix it? Remember the sun outside?
Please come out of the sun.
Yeah, the sun. So which way I gotta take it? Now the shade. I'll take picture.
Might get a shot, I don't know.
It won't mind. Oh, them little space that we walk through though. So the girl there again, Chev. Right, it's not bad. Hi, nice to meet you. We're the leaving now.
Yes, me go with
So early. Are you there from long time? No, Jamaica. No, we don't work. Bye, baby. Good as we can't go back. Hi, money.
What are these? These are my hydrating glow mist. These are setting sprays. These are body oils, illuminated. And girl, when the sun hits you the right way from the right angle, it's amazing.
It's beneath my legs because they're too wide.
Right. Great for the legs. We have highlighters, 2 different shades. This one is more of a lighter shade. Pink and blue undertone. Listen to that. Right.
So you see, remember, right? It is simply beautiful.
Sugar. What's that?
It's not just quick, you know, it's also finished quickly but with quality. You can see that she was
And it's light. It's light, so it's not like a big chunk of color.
executed seamlessly. So you can
I totally forgot to close out this vlog. Yo, my head look crazy, but I had a crazy week / crazy weekend. Like, I'm so tired. I don't even know what time it is now. Babe, what time it is? Well, after 7? So it's probably after 7 to 8 now. And as you can see my eye, I'm tired. Oh my god. I'm so tired, but I'm giving God thanks because one time I have too much free time. You understand? So yeah, I'm gonna ask God for just make a way for me, so now that He's making a way for me, I'm tired. So yeah, I'm just giving thanks. But I'm just closing out this vlog, and I hope you guys did enjoy this 2-day GLAMCON JA experience. And I hope it was fun. I think I had a pretty good time. And I think this is so good to, you know, network, lime, you know, put yourself out there. And so I'm happy that I, you know, had the opportunity to go out. Usually I see it going on and I wouldn't think about going, or even if I think, I say, you know what, I'm not go, because I've never been. And so I think I'm going to a year, you know, much more go one time. But anyways, let me just close out this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye baby.